Wagwan fam, welcome back to the 876 Zone TV. It's me, Anisha. And I know someone na cuss and I say, yo, me just drop off at the face of the earth, so you see me. But I have to apologize to you guys for taking so long to upload videos. I have been super busy with school and the kids and so on. So I have to apologize for that, but me just I couldn't know what going, you know. Me couldn't do nothing about it. You see it, but I say alright, I go put out a little thing and thing for the December. You see it and see how best I can maneuver doing these videos on a consistent basis. So when I know me love dance song and for jump up and down and thing. So this video is from Ding Dong, Safaree, Skeng. Yeah, that name them. But people so name Jankro. Anyway. It's called New Dip, and at the first me hear the song, you know, but me not see the video yet, so me I go through the video with you guys, and it's the first time I'm actually going through it, so me I go through it for the first time and review it and talk about it and thing, you see. So without further ado guys, let's get into the video and let's do this. Play.
You ready? Instead of the pen and normal, if you hold the pit. Nippy, you know, it's a nippy dip. Yo, right now, man, I'm a spirit, you know, yo. It's a new dip.
Take time now. New ear, new style, new everything. New chain, new watch, new bling bling. New this, new that, new dancing. Them new to the flossing.
Bruh, me see the name Safaree and not even realize it a Safaree with the day with Nicki Minaj. Me blow, what Safaree I do down here?
What are we the new dip? Dancing sick. Lead by your mind like a jacket with a wig. Talk to me nice, don't make your mouth slip. No freedom of speech when you're talking. Shit, silence it. Girl, them a ball for the rooftop trip. Heartbeat stop it.
Pause. Already me like this song. Me don't even want to see no more of the video. Me like the beat and me like everything already. That said, continue. Play.
Tell it them slip. No freedom of speech when you're talking. Alright, watch this. We are on this. Girl in the bathroom, them a practice. Man no fi sit down at the yard back face. After 1, 2, 3, everybody try.
As the one say one no fi sit down a yard back face. What? Then if you had a woman, what you figure do?
Alright then, dip, check it, really nip. Nah, touch a girl then skip. Dip, check it, really nip. Nah. Now what are we the new dip? Dancing sick. Lead by your mind like a jacket with a wig. Talk to me nice, don't make your mouth slip. No freedom.
Pause, no sir. This a dance here coming like you do breaststroke, you shift gear, you do breaststroke, shift gear, sing clutch, everything in the one dance.
My speech when you're talking. Shit, silence it. Girl, them a ball for the rooftop trip. Heartbeat stop if your lip them slip. No freedom of speech when you're talking. Yard man, they are them a no drip, no ice away.
Pause this blowout. Safaree, a DJ in a patois. Safaree, a DJ in a patois. Who would have thunk? Me think say Safaree. Well, me not about to say it. Let me see what Safaree are going with. Play.
Last new chain, new watch, make your girlfriend wet up like. Hey yo, new money, big rocks on my neck, that's the new sunny. Heard they think they competition, that's a true dummy.
Pause. Yo, me no know. Yo, whoever know nothing about Safaree, tell me if him have any background, heritage, ancestry.com. Let me know if him have anybody that is Jamaican, him parents, him grandparents, great grand, whoever. Cause yo, him verse nice and him sound good. Play.
New dance, new rhythm from dancing sick. Lead by your mind like a jacket with a wig. Talk to me nice, don't make your mouth slip. No freedom of speech when you're talking. Silence.
Alright. So the dance now, you shift gear, your breaststroke, you sing clutch, and you whip ass. Alright. Me get it. Play.
Girl, them a ball for the rooftop trip. Heartbeat stop if your lip them slip. No freedom of speech when you're talking. Broke up, nah no bone. Big up, broke up and in dance, boy, nah no bone. What kind of king when you go be and never own no throne? When you talk to the boy, you just level your tone. Like a girl a cheat, they on the phone. When you motor
Safaree got moves though.
jump and look up in a something where crow. Still each up in a head like when you hear a comb. Them badness a meant like a creamy cone. Anybody they beside of me cone. Them know me a the goat. Anytime we make a step, them never get free report. Olympics, everything I feel good. Now but with the new dip, dancing sick. Lead by your mind like a jacket with a wig. Talk to me nice, don't make your mouth.
Pause. I don't know. I just have a thing for dance tunes. All if them a sing about foolishness. Then could have sing about leapfrog and Candy Crush. For if you dance me night, play tune.
Sleep no freedom of speech when you're talking. Silence it. Y'all them a ball for the rooftop trip. Heartbeat stop if your lip them slip. No freedom of speech when you're talking.
Right now it's a new start, it's a new beginning. You can't show me off like cocky water, yeah man. Yo, big up a Skeng brother, them now. Big up you, big up you, big up you. Alright, see them, aight. I want to Skeng attack. Right now the one here, the new dip here. Dip.
Me just a pause this song cause I know so me can't play straight through. No. Alright, play again. Yo, big up and shout out to Broke Up Safaree. There you have it, guys. Ding Dong Safaree. Ding Dong Safaree. Where are the youth name? Ding Dong Safaree. Pata Skeng or Pata Clot or whatever. Yo, new dip. Me love it. I loved it. Yo, me never know say I'll miss the name Safaree. Never registered to me say I went that the Safaree day. Safaree come out. You mean? So tell me what you guys think of the video. I enjoyed it. And find a dance tune you know send me in it. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Subscribe. Mommy. I'm tired. So like, comment, share, subscribe like I said before. Thanks for all those who still stuck with me, even though me never put up no video in such a long while. But and I apologize again. So I will try my best to put out as consistently as I can. Fingers crossed. So there you have it, guys. Ding Dong Safaree, Pata Skeng, new dip, official music video. Go and check it out. Put it on pan playlist and practice for breaststroke, swing clutch, shift gear, and whip ass. Bye.